ये सुना है क्या आपने? EB5 दुबई की प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्टमेंट। वेल, दिस आर द हॉट टॉपिक्स नाउ। लोग आके कहते हैं हमें EB5 में सिटीजनशिप चाहिए, तो हमें वहां पे रेमिटेंस करना है। आई वांट टू बाय अ प्रॉपर्टी इन दुबई, आई वांट टू सेंड अ रेमिटेंस। वेल, डू इट। वेल, वेरी गुड. Who are we to stop you? But a word of caution to all of those who are aspiring to get a US citizenship through EB5 or buy a property in Dubai. Please do not resort to any other non-regulatory ways. RBI ने अपने circulars में बहुत clearly mandate किया है कि any individual wanting to invest overseas has a capping of US dollar 2,50,000 in a financial year per their PAN card. हाँ, अगर आपका EB5 2.5 लाख में आ रहा है, US डॉलर 2.5 लाख में, आपकी प्रॉपर्टी दुबई में US डॉलर 2.5 लाख में आ रही है, well and good, go ahead. But please do not take any shortcuts in order to execute these transactions which are breaching these laws. Because आपने करते तो कर दिया, but if you have to bring back the funds or if you have to get the profit back, somewhere along the line RBI को पता चल जाएगा. And as I keep on saying in all my videos, the regulators are watching. Digitization is making the world small for sharing of the informations. हम सबके ध्यान पर काफी information share होती है. And why so? In the regular dailies you would have read that the income tax department is now keenly observing all those people who are buying property overseas. So I would not stop anyone for going for buying properties overseas, but always follow the regulations, whether it is permitting it, whether you have proper permissions in place, then only go ahead. So I'll leave you with a question. Is investing in property more than 2,50,000 US dollars allowed? Give it a thought. Check whether you are breaching the guidelines and then take the decisions. Do not fall into the trap of earning huge profits by not following the regulators. No shortcut is a good cut.